know the Spanish station's coming in loud and clear. I think the chassis is done. I replaced the last resistor for the I-tube, and I think we're good. Still on the fence about what to do with the 6X5 tube. Still trying to figure that out. I might just get a solid state, keep it simple. But this is more or less done. I'm going to look at the resistor. There's one resistor here, and then I'm going to start cleaning all these little parts and start putting this thing back together. So I checked the resistor here. That's just like 1,000 or 2 off. I'm going to keep that in. That should be all right. Object for today is get these cleaned up the best they can and see what I can do about replacing this broken one. Yeah, that could be a challenge. I'll see what I can do. And I thought, this thing's staring right at me in the face. Yeah, this is my test cord for the power. I got to put a new power line on this thing too. I forgot all about that. So not quite done, but almost done. I'll keep this part short because my phone is about out of memory. I got all the buttons replaced in that and cleaned, and I got all the little tabs on here again too. And then some of them aren't right. I got 2 voices, but that's the best I could do on that. So I'm missing one there, but at least the hole's filled. And this side, I got WWJ, got an MAQ, and then down here, I got a RMM, which is WWJ, just upside down, because they say you got to use what you got. No one will, 99% of the people who are going to look at this won't even notice that. So I'm good with it. I think it'll be kind of funny. People go, what's that? Next is still try to get the protector for the glass and try to get some maybe some flat black paint. Just try to work on some of the rough areas on this. I'm going to use the original scale though. So just trying to clean it up just a little bit, just to show that it's cleaned up, but it's still the same radio. And then we'll really get to town putting this thing back together. It's almost there. I still keep forgetting I got to do this cord. So that's on the list too. All right. Well, thanks for watching. Bye.